concept of multimedia. Hello and welcome to Unit 1 of the first week of the Multimedia Training for Teachers, integrating multimedia in teaching basic science and mathematics through massive open online course, MOOC. During this first week, we will explore the concept of multimedia integration in teaching mathematics. We will also look at the roles of multimedia in teaching basic science and mathematics. Lastly, we will dive into various multimedia elements for different categories of learners. Before we go into the concept of multimedia, let us look at how technology is transforming our teaching and learning processes. Technology is rapidly transforming our world, and it is crucial that we equip our learners with the necessary skills and knowledge to succeed in this increasingly digital society. Today, education has evolved from traditional to the modern approach due to the emergence of new technologies. Multimedia plays a key role in this 21st century of evolving technology and in the enhancement of academic performance of learners. By integrating multimedia into classroom instruction, this will engage learners in exciting and innovative ways and prepare them for future careers. Integration of multimedia in teaching has great potential in enhancing learner-centered teaching approach because it provides opportunities for simulating real-life scenarios and self-paced learning. Despite that technologies are a great resource, effective utilization remains a great challenge to teachers, and so their capacity to innovatively integrate multimedia to deliver classroom activities needs to be developed. This course provides an opportunity for teachers to develop their capacity on integration of multimedia in teaching mathematics and basic science, to facilitate effective learner-centered and multimedia-enhanced lessons. In this light, let us now look at what multimedia is all about. Learners learn better from words and pictures than from words alone. This hypothesis is the basis for the promise of multimedia learning. Multimedia consists of words and pictures rather than words alone. How can we design multimedia-enhanced lessons that can improve and enhance learners' understanding of mathematical and basic science concepts? This is the central question addressed in this online course. The concept of multimedia emerged with the advancements in technology, particularly in the fields of computing and telecommunications. In teaching and learning of mathematics and basic science, multimedia allows teachers to integrate multiple forms of media into a single platform, providing a more immersive and engaging experience for their learners. Multimedia can be found in various industries and applications, including education, entertainment, advertising, journalism, marketing, and communication. It is used to create interactive websites, video games, mobile applications, virtual reality experiences, digital art, films, television shows, advertising campaigns, and more. Multimedia is a combination of more than one media type, such as text, that is alphabetic or numeric, symbols, images, pictures, audio, video, and animations in the best possible formats, packages, and sizes, usually with the aid of technology for the purpose of enhancing understanding or memorization. Roles of multimedia in teaching of mathematics and basic science. The role of multimedia in teaching and learning is multifaceted and crucial in enhancing the educational experience for students. Multimedia plays a pivotal role in teaching and learning of mathematics and basic science by increasing engagement, accessibility, comprehension, and retention of educational content. It offers diverse learning opportunities, adapting to the needs and preferences of individual students while also preparing them for a digital and interconnected world. The effective integration of multimedia into educational practices can significantly enhance the overall quality of teaching and learning experiences. Multimedia elements and different categories of learners. The integration of multimedia in teaching mathematics and basic science is grounded by several pedagogical theories that support the use of technology and multimedia tools to enhance learning. Multiple intelligences theory proposes that learners have different types of intelligences. By incorporating multimedia, teachers can address different learning styles and modalities such as visual, auditory, and kinesthetic to engage a diverse range of learners and support their unique strengths. When classifying multimedia elements based on categories of learners, it is very important for teachers to consider various factors such as learning styles, preferences, and needs of individual learners. Here are some multimedia elements based on categories of learners. Visual learners. Visual learners prefer learning through visual aids and graphics. Multimedia elements that cater to visual learners include images, diagrams, charts, graphs, infographics, illustrations, videos, animations, and slideshows. Auditory learners. Auditory learners benefit from audio-based content such as lectures, podcasts, music, dialogue, interviews, and sound effects. Multimedia elements that appeal to auditory learners might include audio recordings, voice-overs, and spoken instructions. Read and write learners. Read and write learners prefer textual content and written instructions. Multimedia elements that appeal to this category include textbooks, ebooks, articles, written notes, quizzes, interactive text-based modules, and online forums for discussions. Kinesthetic learners. Kinesthetic learners learn best through hands-on and experiential activities. Multimedia elements that cater to kinesthetic learners might include simulations, virtual reality experiences, interactive games, quizzes, experiments, demonstrations, and physical manipulatives. Multimodal learners. Multimodal learners benefit from a combination of different modes of learning. They prefer multimedia elements that provide a mix of visual, auditory, and textual content. To cater to this category, consider incorporating a blend of images, videos, text, and audio in your multimedia materials. Now that we have gone through this first unit in this week, where we looked at the concept of multimedia and multimedia elements based on different categories of learners, it is time for you to participate in the discussion forums and reflect on the unit assignment.